Hi friends, good morning. Today we're going to show you a quick round about our 3D lab. We have one of the best 3D labs, state of the art in the world. We're going to show you how it looks, and our doctor there is also going to tell you about what different aspects of this lab will be useful for patients restoring their smile and other aspects on their face. All right. So this is the first OPD floor. I'm going to show you our so there it is. It's very compact. It's got a lot of high-end equipment, different resins and everything. I'm going to go you in and get you introduced to our doctor. Hi, Dr. Hari.
Hi, Dr. Sunil. How are you?
So this is our Dr. Hari. He works with Form Labs. He's an oral medicine diagnostics master's person, also helping us out with different aspects of this 3D lab. So because I do not know much on this, so I'm going to hand over most of the proceedings to him. He is going to go and show us one by one what these softwares do, how we're going to get the patients with new aligners, or how we can print the bites before orthodontic surgery, and so many more things. All right, Dr. Hari,
Thank you,
please.
Dr. Sunil. So, welcome everyone to our 3D digital lab located at Sunil Richardson's Face Hospital, Bangalore. So, I'm going to show you a rough brief on the digital lab. So, starting with our CAD workstation. So, we have a high-end softwares like Nemotech Ceph 3D software and also 3Shape, which can do almost all the digital workflow in terms of dentistry is concerned, like facial-maxillary surgery planning, digital dentures, temporary crowns, aligners, etc. And so if you see here, this is our state-of-the-art latest 3D printer. It's called as Form 4. So this is basically developed by Form Labs in USA. So this is how the printer looks like. So this is the build platform what we have. It is very simple. You just need to plug in this platform inside and latch it, and you're ready to go. And you just close this down, right? And we also do have the Form 3 printer. So this is again a different printer, a smaller one, but this one works with the laser. Again, this is the build platform what you see here, and it is very easy to insert the resin cartridges. As well as what you see here is Biomed Flex 80A. This is basically a biomedical resin which can be used for our indirect bonding tray or splints, etc. So it is very simple. You just go and insert it, and it is going to, we have furthermore some more resins to show you, like temporary CBA A2. This is basically for the temporary crowns and bridges for your immediate restorative purposes. We have model V3 for printing the dental models. We also do have Biomed durable biocompatible resins for soft splints. We also do have surgical guide resins for orthodontic surgery guides and also implant guides. And we also do have some clear resins for splints as well. So this is our small showcase. As you see here, we have some printed parts to show you. So this one to start with is a custom tray for your open tray impression technique. And we also do have some printed models post-op of orthodontic surgery. And this is the printed dentures, upper arch. So some temporary crowns for you. So this is a temporary bridge which is printed in A2, and so on. We have some printed maxillofacial structures as well. As you see here, these are all printed. And further to this is automation system by Form Labs. It's called as Form Labs Form Auto. So as you see here, the printer is something very similar to the Form 3, but the difference is, so you have the build platform here. So what happens is, this is very flexible build platform. So what happens is, once you go and print with this, okay, we turn the printer towards the Form Auto. What happens is, there is an actuator which actually pops out all these printed parts and collects in this UV protected box. So the beauty of this is, we can print almost hundreds of models without any human interaction. So especially useful for aligner fabrications. Yeah. So I hope you liked the digital lab at Richardson's Face Hospital. Thank you so much.
That's just a quick overview of what we have here. We've got some of the latest gadgets, latest personnel operating high-end software so that we can deliver cutting-edge technology products to our patients who seek the very best on the face. So, thank you.